First, delete this default text box from your slide. Now go to Insert, click Text Box and type your text. Format it with your favorite font size and also color. Select the text and open the Animation tab. Choose the Appear Animation. Now click Animation Pan. Then open Effect option. For a realistic typing experience, set the sound to typewriter. Under Animated Text, choose by letter. Set the delay between letter 0.3 seconds. Then change Start to After Previous so the animation play automatically. Now press F5 to preview. And there you have it, a realistic typewriter animation complete with typing sound. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more PowerPoint animation tricks.